Alright, so today I thought I would do a quick video on the Passap Electra 4000 motor upgrade kit. So this is the kit here. It is the UK 600. This is the part number here if you're interested. And what this kit enables you to do, obviously, is upgrade the 4000 to the 4600. For those of you that don't know, the 4000 motor is somewhat limited compared to the 4600. So, for example, the 4600 connects to the E6000 console, the 4000 doesn't. The 4600 has yarn brake sensors. The 4000 doesn't. The 4600 also connects to the color changer to, it's called a surveyor. So when there are more than one yarn eyelets up, it will stop the motor as well. The 4000 doesn't have that. So just going in, you can see here the first thing you have is the manual. So this is the manual for the 4600. We have the mounting instructions for the motor. This does a number of models here. So we've got the 4080, the 4600 and the 4000. There is also another model of motor which is the 4060. There is an upgrade kit for that as well. I decided on the 4600 upgrade kit because there was limited amount of information on the 4060, so I wasn't sure what the additional functionality would be. And then we have the mounting instructions, the upgrade kit instructions. So if we go into English section, you can see here it goes through the process of what needs to be done to upgrade the motor. So unplug the power, exchange the chipboard, various other instructions as well. So what's in the kit? Alright, so first of all you get this cover for the motor. It comes with the 4600 number on it, whereas mine currently has the 4000. You receive the yarn brake parts, so you might be able to see in here there is the metal bar, the cables that connect to the motor, the sensor in here. So they go onto your tension unit. You receive the board that goes inside the controller. So this goes inside of the E6000 controller. You take out the program chip and mount this board in, I believe, and then put your program chip in here. This helps control the motor. So for example, it will help control color changes into the color changer when the technique dictates that it needs to go in there. And last but not least is the actual board. So you can see here there are 9 ports on here. The 4000 only has these 2 ports here for the controller. We have all these additional ports, so obviously we have the console that plugs in, which is 1. We have the motor controller, which is 2. We have the yarn brake sensors, which plug in here as well. We have the color changer, which also plugs in here as well. And I believe there's actually a pedal for this motor as well. I've seen it around. So yeah, this is the board. I don't know what any of these things do, but I know that this will actually replace the one that's in there to allow me to upgrade my motor. And that's it. So I hope to do another video on the actual upgrade process. So if I get a chance to do that, I will. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll come back to you. Thanks.